Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and obviously as you could tell with this title, I am decorating my Christmas tree. Yay! This is the beginning of all decorating videos, so I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I am definitely excited. But anyways guys, I am just starting off with my Christmas tree because I've been waiting for this Christmas tree for weeks, and I'm like, okay, when are they gonna start selling Christmas trees? Because I am really annoyed and I want to put my Christmas tree up. As you guys could tell, or if you're on my Instagram, I actually get real Christmas trees because I love the pine smell, and it just reminds me of my childhood. And then you go and ornament drop. It ain't Christmas decorating until you drop an ornament. You'll know. Anyways, I love real trees. I love the smell. I needed to get a real tree. I also live in an apartment, and the fact that I will have to travel around to each apartment with an artificial tree, I did not want to do that. So I stick to real trees, which I don't mind. And I also think they're more affordable, even though artificial trees last you for years. But I just love real trees, honestly, guys. And yeah, let's just watch me decorate my Christmas tree that I'm not really sure what theme I was going for, but I know it was white and silver with hints of red. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are going to, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you guys have artificial trees or you guys purchase a real tree. I would like to know everyone's answers, and I'm just a little bit curious. I'm a little bit nosy, so I wanted to know. So this bow I made myself, and it's not the best, but I thought it turned out pretty cute, and I ended up just using a butterfly right in the middle. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I made this, but during filming I got frustrated and kind of just gave up, and then finally focused and actually did it and just didn't record. But I really do like how it came out. I am a little bit I could have done better, but I still think it's pretty cute. Obviously, guys, I just like dropping them balls. And of course, my boyfriend loves to record me dropping the balls. But yeah, I really do like how my Christmas tree turned out. And I'm so excited for my future Christmas videos. And I hope you guys are too. And then, of course, to just finish off my Christmas tree is the skirt that I got from Home Goods. Yes, for Home Goods. And I absolutely love this tree skirt. It's super pretty. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for my video. I hope you guys liked how I decorated my Christmas tree because I'm absolutely in love. And I just love the hints of red in it. I don't know, I feel like it just gives it a little bit like of a boom boom. I don't know how to really describe it, but the pops of red really makes it really put it all together, and I am obsessed. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Also remember, if you're new here, please subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.